Hey everybody, today we're going to set up your Google Drive to have your folders as a way to organize all of your files for class this year, well for all your classes. So you're going to need to open up Google. So you can just go to google.com, and there's two ways to get to your drive. You can click on the waffle. This is called a waffle, these little dots right here. So you can click on the waffle and then simply click on Drive, and that's going to take you to your Google Drive. Another way is you can just simply go up to the address bar up here, and you can type in drive.google.com. And of course, it's going to take you to the same place. Of course, I have all my files up here in the quick access. And so if you have any files there that you've worked on recently, those are all going to show up there. All of your folders are going to be down here. So you're going to need to create a folder for each one of your classes. The best way to do that is click on this little caret here under My Drive, and that'll open up any folders that you have. So you might have a CAMI folder, Pear Deck folder, Power School Learning folder. But I'm going to click up here where it says New. So click on the New Plus button, and then click on Folder. And this is going to start a new folder. So let's create one called Language Arts. So you're going to just type in Language Arts, and you're going to hit the Create button. And so now you have a folder called Language Arts. And so any of your documents in Google Drive that you are going to create for Language Arts class can be put right in this. And so if I click on the folder, I don't have any files there because I just created it. But you can click there and say you want to start a file. You can always click the New button and start a new Google document, and it will automatically put it into this file. Now you can change the color of your folder. So if you go back to the Language Arts folder here on the left, you can right click on it, and you can click on where it says change color. And let's say you want to make your Language Arts folder the same color as your notebook. So we can say make it blue. And so now I have a blue Language Arts folder. And then you'll go back up to New again, start a new folder, and now I want to create a folder for science. So I could create a science folder. And once I create it, it's going to show up right here where all of my folders are. And so, and I accidentally put my science folder in Language Arts. So I can, of course, move that. So if I accidentally put it in the wrong place, you can move it to your drive. And so you can move it back out to that location. Or you can simply just delete that folder if you mess up. So you can click on Remove, and then you can go back to My Drive and create a new folder from there. We'll create a science folder. So then you're going to create a folder, a new folder for each one of your classes. So you should have science, math, language arts, and social studies. And so once all of your folders are created, those will all show up here in your drive. And that's where you can organize all of your information for this school year. So I hope that helps, and I want to see those folders in your Google Drive here in the next couple of days.